Hey, what's up? Hello. Okay, now we have here a 2008 P Roosevelt dime. Okay, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty. Okay, the back of the coin. United States of America. E pluribus unum. One dime. Okay, now let's find out the value of the price of a 2008 P Roosevelt dime. Okay, here we go. The value of a 2008 P Roosevelt dime in average condition to be worth 10 cents, while one in mint state could be valued around $2. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting and have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.